Hello everybody, welcome back to the Live Well channel. My name is Isaac and today I'm going to be planting my shallot potatoes on my allotment bed. So basically just going to be showing you how I do it. Alright, place still needs a bit of tidying up for the spring. I'm just running a little bit behind, so I'm trying to basically plant, tidy up as I go. Alright. Now I'm using a hoe to straighten up the sides so I can get the potatoes ready. Now I'm laying the potatoes down in a row down the bed, about a shovel length, a hand shovel that is. It's about 30 centimeters. Now I dig a small hole about the size of the potato, about 3 to 4 inches down. I will be putting compost on top of them just as they're coming up, some sort of a mulch. Shallot potatoes are second early potatoes and take about 3 months to get ready. Guys, just want to say thank you for watching. Those are my shallot potatoes I've just finished growing. Hopefully they'll be ready in about 3 months' time. But in the meantime, as they grow, I'll show you the progress and how they're doing. But yeah, those are, they're also like second earlies, which is what they call them. Alright, live well.